60-second guide. Replace speakers on a MacBook Pro 13-inch M2. Tools: pentalobe and tri-point drivers, spudger, tweezers. Estimated total time shown. Power off and remove the 2 bottom pentalobe screws. Estimated 1 minute. Remove lower case, ground yourself, then disconnect the battery connector. Estimated 2 minutes. Unscrew the speaker assembly and detach its cable with a plastic pry tool. Estimated 5 minutes. Lift out the speaker, verify the printed part number against your replacement. Estimated 1 minute. Install the new speaker, align tabs, and snug the screws. Estimated 5 minutes. Reconnect the speaker cable and battery, ensure solid seating. Use insulated tools. Estimated 2 minutes. Close the lower case and reinstall pentalobe screws evenly. Estimated 1 minute. First, listen to the original speaker audio sample, now hear the new speaker. If sound is missing or distorted, reseat connectors, check grounding, then retest. Estimated 3 minutes. Job complete. Total estimated time 20 to 30 minutes. Recycle parts or consult a pro.